In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a saved sign here sign from Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you've ever saved a signature or initials that you no longer use, or you accidentally saved the wrong one, this quick cleanup will help keep your fill and sign panel tidy and prevent mistakes when you're signing documents. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once your file is open, go to the Tools area. That's where Acrobat groups its features, and Fill and Sign lives there. If you don't see Tools right away, look near the top of the window or along the left panel depending on your version. Open Tools, then select Fill and Sign. This switches the interface into signing mode and brings up the controls you need. At the top toolbar, click Sign. This reveals options related to your personal signatures and initials. Next, choose Add Signature or Add Initials, if that's what you want to manage. Don't worry, you're not creating a new signature right now. This step also opens the panel where your saved signatures are stored. When that panel appears, you'll see your previously saved signatures listed. Find the saved signature you want to remove. Next to it, you'll see a small X or a remove icon. Click that. Acrobat will ask you to confirm, typically with an OK or delete prompt. Confirm the removal, and that saved signature will be deleted from your list. That's it. Your saved signature is now removed. A few helpful notes as you do this. Removing a saved signature only deletes the stored preset. It does not change or erase any signatures you have already applied to documents. Those remain part of those files. If you don't see the saved signatures right away, make sure you clicked Add Signature or Add Initials to expand the panel. Also, if Fill and Sign isn't visible under Tools, double check that you're not in a restricted viewing mode and that you're using the standard Acrobat workspace. Fill and Sign is different from the certificates feature, so be sure you're in the Fill and Sign tool specifically. If you have multiple saved signatures, you can repeat the same process for each one you want to remove. Later, when you're ready to add a new correct signature, you can come back to the same sign menu, choose Add Signature, and create or upload a fresh one. And that's all it takes to delete a saved sign here signature in Adobe Acrobat. Clean, simple, and it keeps your signing workflow accurate and organized.